Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss some more aptitude and reasoning questions which were asked in RRB Group D paper. Okay. So, shall we start the session? See the question here. 1 year ago, Krishna was four times as old as his daughter. Okay, 1 year ago, Krishna was 4 times as old as his daughter Kavita. His daughter Kavita. 6 years hence. Okay, 6 years hence, Krishna. 6 years hence, Krishna's age will be 12 years more than his daughter. Okay, 6 years hence, Krishna age will be 12 years more than his daughter. Okay, so find the ratio of the find the ratio of the present ages of Krishna and his daughter. We need to find the respective ratio of the present ages of Krishna and his daughter. First of all, see what is the given information in the question is. So, Krishna was 4 times as old as his daughter Kavita. So, let us take, okay, see here, let his daughter, Krishna's daughter, his daughter Kavita age be X. Okay, so we don't know the Kavita's age, his daughter Kavita's age. Okay, so according to the question, see here, Krishna was 4 times as old as his daughter. So, Krishna's age will be 4x. Okay, this was, see here, this was the age 1 year ago. Okay, right. So, I am taking like this. So, 4x is the Krishna's age and x is the Krishna's daughter's age. Okay, Kavita age. See here, they given 6 years hence. Okay, here they given 6 years hence, Krishna's age will be 12 years more than his daughter's age. Okay, here 4x is the Krishna's age 1 year ago. Okay, so here they are asking, they are giving 6 years hence means, so presently if you see that this is the age of Kavita's 1 years ago. If x plus 1 is the present age of Kavita and x plus 6 is the Kavita's age after 6 years. So, if you see that here x plus 7, okay, e plus 1 is there. So, x plus 7 is the Kavita's age after 6 years. Okay, right. See here, so if you see that here 4x is the Krishna's age 1 year ago and here they given 6 years hence. So, 6 plus 1 7. So, 4x plus 7 is the Krishna's age after 6 years. Okay, why? Because 4x is the Krishna's age 1 year ago. So, plus 7 means 4x plus 7 means Krishna's age after 6 years. Okay, here also x plus 7 is the Kavita's age after 6 years. Okay. So, what is the Krishna's age after 6 years is, so Krishna's age after 6 years is 4x plus 7, which is equal to, okay, Kavita's age, okay, which is equal to Krishna age will be 12 years more than. So, this is the x plus 7 is the Kavita's age and Krishna age is 12 years more than his daughter's Kavita's age. Okay, see here 4x plus 7 is the Krishna's age after 6 years, which is equal to 12 years more than his daughter's age. Okay, so by simplification we get 4x plus 7 is equal to x plus 19, 3x is equal to 12, so x is equal to 4. If you see that here, so I first we taken 4x by x, x is the Kavita's age 1 year ago. So, what is the present age of Kavita is x plus 1. So, 4 plus 1 we get 5 years. So, Kavita's present age is 5 years. Okay. And what about his father age is 1 year ago his father age is 4x. So, we need to find his father's age present age. So, plus 1. So, 4 into here 4 we get 16. Okay, 16 plus 1 we get 17. Okay. So, what is the question? See the question. The ratio of the present ages of Krishna and his daughter. So, 17 is the respective ratio. 17 is to 5 is the respective ratio of their ages, present ages of Krishna and his daughter. Okay, 17 is to 5. Okay, right. Next question. See the question here. Select the trait which follows the same pattern as that followed by the two traits given below. Both traits follows the same pattern. So, what is the pattern is actually is here. If you see that here, okay, see here, if we observe closely, we get a logic here. Okay, see here, P plus 2, P, Q, R means P plus 2. Okay. So, see here, P plus 2 we get R plus 2 we get T. Okay. So, R plus 2 we get T. And if you see that the next alphabet here, Y minus 2, see here, Y minus 2, here to here we are going backward, here we are going backward, here going forward. Okay. So, minus 2. So, W minus 2 we get U. Okay. So, here we are taking minus 2. So, W minus 2. Okay, right. So, whether see same pattern is there for the second trait. Okay, see here, E plus 2, E plus 2 we get G. Okay. So, E plus 2 we get G, G plus 2, okay, sorry, G plus 2, so G plus 2 we get I. So, here we are going forward direction. Okay. So, and see the next alphabet N minus 2. n minus 2 we get L, okay, n minus 2 we get L, okay, right. See here n minus 2, here n is there, so minus 2, n minus 2 we get L, L minus 2, L minus 2, okay, so we get J, L minus 2 we get J. So, which of the following option will satisfies the same pattern, okay. See here, first we will check the first option, okay. If you see that m minus 2, sorry, m plus 2, okay, see here m plus 2, so m and o is correct, okay, o plus 2, okay, o p q is correct. So, t minus 2, t minus 2, you see here t is there, we get or, okay, t minus 2, t minus 2 we get or, okay. So, t minus 2 is correct, or minus 2, or minus 2, or minus 2 we get p. So, first option itself satisfies the logic, whatever the logic is in the question, okay. So, no need to check the other three options. So, option 1 is correct, option 1 is correct, okay, right. M, T, O or Q, P option 1 itself correct, right. Next question, okay. See the question here, a cube made of edges, see the question, a cube made of edges 18 meters is completely filled with milk, okay. A cube made of edge 18 meters, okay, 18 meters is completely filled with milk, okay. The milk is transferred into a cuboid of length 27 meters and height 7 meters. The width of the cuboid is, okay. So, here they given a cube with edge, okay. So, what is the given information is, what is the given information is a cube with edge, with edge, what is the given, 18 meters is given, okay, and completely filled with milk, okay, completely filled with milk, okay. So, and the milk is transferred into a cuboid, okay, with length, okay, the milk is transferred into a cuboid, okay. So, the milk is transferred into a cuboid, okay. So, its length is 27 meters, okay. Okay, its length is 27 meters, height is 7 meters, important, okay. So, we need to find the width of cuboid. So, first of all, how much quantity of milk is there in the cube, means just we need to find the volume of the cube, okay. So, volume of a cube which is equal to side into side, so the sides of cube is equal, so we can consider A So volume of cube is equal to A cube. So what is the which side of cube is 18? Okay. So 18 meters. So 18 cube. Okay, we need to find 18 cube. Okay. So 18 cube. So what is the how we find the cube of 18? So we have already discussed and already uploaded a video on how to find squares, cubes, square roots and cube roots. Okay. So just write we need to find 18 cube. So just write 1 8 8 square 8 cube. So twice the middle numbers. Okay. So what is the cube? Here we get 2 and send 51 to here and sum all this we get here. So 3 and send 16. So 8 13 23. Okay, here you need to send the number, we get 8 again and here we get 2. So sorry, here we get 4 5 8 3 2. Okay, so 18 cube is 5 8 3 2. Okay, right. So volume of the cube is 5 8 3 2. Okay. So see that, and which is equal to the milk is transferred into a cuboid. So the volume of cuboid is also which is equal to 5832. Okay. So first what is the formula of volume of the cuboid is, okay, so volume of a cuboid is equal to length into width into height. Okay. So here they given the length, that is 27 meters. Okay, and they given height. Okay, what is the height is given 7 meters. Okay, and we need to find the width of the cuboid. Okay, so they given here 27 and width is 7, width we can take width as W. Okay, height is 7. So the number which is equal to, okay, see here the number which is equal to 5832. Okay, see here the milk is just transferred. Okay, so volume of cube which is equal to volume of cuboid. Okay, so see here. Okay, so volume of cuboid is 5832. Okay, which is equal to volume of cuboid. Okay, right. So it's complicated to simplify. So no need to find the a cube. I am writing just here like which is 18 into 18 into 18, which is equal to 27 into width into height. Okay, right. 3 9 3s, 9 2s, 3 1s, 3 6. Okay, so 2 into 6, 12 into 18, we get 216. Okay, so see here 216 divided by 7, we get 30 point some 8. Okay, 30.71s, 730 is 210. So here 6 is there, 7 8 is 56. So 30.8. Okay, so the width is approximately equal to 30.8. Okay, the width is approximately equal to 30.8. Okay, so see here just see here. So, they given cube edge is 18. So, 18 which is equal to the cuboid volume. So, 27 into W into 7. So, we get the width is equal to 30.8. So, this is simple. Okay, right. Next. So, see the question, inequality question is given. Based on the given statement, 4 conclusions are drawn. Find out which conclusion is true based on the statement. Okay, what is the statement is given? J greater than H is equal to N, and greater than or equal to B, B less than or equal to C, C less than E. So, see the first conclusion, H less than B. Here H is there and here B is there. Okay, H is, if you see that H is equal to N, N greater than or equal to B, means H is greater than B will satisfy, H is less than B is false. Okay, right. Next, N greater than C. Okay, N greater than C. So, here N is there and here C is there. So, N we cannot define a particular relation between N and C. Okay, why? Because here greater than or equal to symbol is there, here less than or equal to symbol is there. So, we cannot define a definite relation between N and C. So, N greater than E. So, here also see that the relation between N and E is, here greater than or equal to symbol is there, here less than or equal to symbol is there. So, we cannot define a particular relation between N and E. So, B less than J. Okay. So, B less than J. So, here J is there, here B is there. So, by seeing itself J greater than H, H is equal to N, N greater than or equal to B, means J greater than B, which we can write B is less than J. Okay, right. Option 4, okay, option 4 is true according to the given statement. Okay, right. Next, right. See the question here. 5/4 of a number, okay, 5/4 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 6. Okay, see here, 5/4 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 6. Okay, means the difference between 5/4 of a number and 3/5 of the number is 6. Okay, so just they given 5/4 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 6, means the difference between 5/4 of a number and the 3/4 of a number is 6. Okay, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay, so 5/4 of number minus 3/4 of number, which is equal to 6. Okay, so we can write 2x by 4 is equal to 6. So, 2x is equal to 24, x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12. Okay, right, option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next, right, see the question here. Each of, okay, each of A, B, C, D, E, F and G has an exam on a different day of a week, starting from Monday and ending on Sunday of the same week. Okay, so starting from Monday, ending on Sunday. See like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, right. So, see that, see here, see as the exam on Tuesday, directly they given, C is an exam on Tuesday. Okay. Only one person has the exam between A and G. Only one person has the exam between A and G. So, there is only one person between A and G. We can write like this or like this. Okay. Two cases. So, this is case 1. So, or case 2. Okay. Right. A has the exam before GL. Okay, right. So, here I will given A has exam before G. Okay, means case 2 is false. A has exam before G. Okay, like this. So, A has exam before G. Okay, D has the exam on the immediate before A. Okay, so see that this is the information already we know. Okay, and D as the exam immediate before A, So, D as the exam immediate before A, but not on Thursday. So, but not on Thursday means, okay, so only possibility of writing D is here. Why? Because if you write D here on Thursday, see here, so we don't get like this. Okay, so this is false. Okay, so there is no possibility of D writing only on Wednesday. Okay, so if you write D on Wednesday, A will come on Thursday. So only one person is between A and G. A is writing the exam before A. So right. Next, see that here. D, see here, D has the exam on day immediately before A, but not on Thursday. F exam is on one of the day before E. Okay, are you getting? Okay, so see here one forgotten, we have writing Sunday here, sorry. All right. So see here, F's exam is on one of the day before E. So, before E, okay, right, but after B. So, where is B here? So, only one position is pending for B, that is here. After B and before A, so where is the which place we can allocate for E is on Sunday. So, on after B before E in the one position, that is F, Friday. Okay. So, this is the arrangement. Okay. What is the question? And they given directly here one information. E has exam on Sunday. E has exam on Sunday. Who among the following has the exam on Monday? See that on Monday we have B. Okay, B. Okay, right. So, option 2 is correct. Okay, option 2 is correct. Right, next question. Right, see the question here. 7 boxes. Okay, 7 boxes A, B, C, D, E, F and G are kept one over the other, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so 7 boxes are there. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Okay, right. 7 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right. See that here exactly 2 boxes are kept between C and D. Exactly two boxes are kept between C and D. C placed above. Okay, C placed above means exactly two boxes are between C and D. This is the position. Okay, F is immediately below A. F is immediately below A. Okay, so G is immediately above B. Okay, G is immediately above B. Okay, right. And see that B is the third box from the top. Here they given. B is the third box from the top. So from the top 1, 2, 3. Here B is there. Here B is there. See here we have one information. G is just above B. Okay, right. Exactly two boxes are kept between D and E. D placed above here. If you see that, exactly here we have C and D. Exactly two boxes between D and E. D placed above. Okay, if you see that, here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and here D is there, and we don't know the two boxes here, and E is there. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right. Next, see that, and here only one box is kept between E and A. So here E is there. Only one box is there, that is here A. Okay, and here given A and F. Okay, right. This is the box kept over the other. Okay, right. So what is the question here? Which box is just above E? Okay, which box is just above E means F. Okay, option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. And see the question here. Right. Pipe A is 3 times faster than pipe B. Okay, pipe A is 3 times faster than pipe B. Both pipes together fill a tank in 36 minutes. Okay, how much time will pipe A alone take to fill the tank? Okay, so pipe A is 3 times faster than pipe B. Okay, so let the time taken by pipe A is x minutes. Okay, let the time taken by pipe A is x minutes. So then according to the question, the time taken by pipe B is the time taken by pipe B is 3x minutes. Why? Because x is 3 times faster than B. Okay, right. Okay, right. So if they work together, together, so 1 by A plus 1 by B, which is given by 36 minutes. So which is equal to 36. Okay, right. We get take the LCM as a 3x. We get a 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, 4, which is equal to 1 by 36. Okay. So by simplification, we get 4 ones. So x is equal to, okay, x is equal to, if you see that here, 3 ones, 3 12s, 12 fours, 48. Okay, right. X will take, who is the value, what is the value of A is we can taking as x minutes here. You can take x minutes, that is A alone take to fill the tank is 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Okay, right. Next, the time taken to complete the work by A is 48 minutes. And next, see the question here. "10 years ago, a son was 1 by 8th of his father's age. Okay. Now he is 9 by 7th of his father's present age. Find the present age of father. Okay. So we can take different ways to solve the problem, but it takes some more time. If you see that here, by using option, we can simply find the father's age and son's age. Okay, right. See that here. So 10 years ago, a son was 1 by 8th. 10 years ago, the son was 1 by 8th. If you see that 10 years ago, this was 47, this was 77, this was 64, and this was 57. So 1 by 8, which number will multiply, which number is divided by 8? Here they given 1 by 8 here. Okay. So here 64 is the multiple of 8. Okay, right. So 64 into 1 by 8, we get 8. Okay, right. So if the 10 years ago the father age is 64 and he is the 1 by 8 of that. Okay, right. Next, now means this is the present age. This is the present age. If you see that 9 by 37, yes, 37 is exactly divisible by, 74 is exactly divisible by 37. 1s, 2s, 18. So this is the 10 years ago son's age, and this is the 10 years, this is the, sorry, see here. This is the present age. So 8 plus 10, 18. Okay, yes, satisfied condition. Okay, what is the present age of father is? Present age of father is 74. Okay, 74. Okay, so see that why I am taking this means, if we solve by using general method, we get a equation, two equations. Okay, if we take son's age be x, see here, son's age be x and father age be f. 10 years ago s minus 10 is the son's age, f minus 10 is the father's age. So and son's age is 1 by 8 of f minus 10. So we get different type of equations. Okay, so it is somewhat we get the answer, but it takes some more time. So if we see by seeing the option, so 1 by 8 means which of the number we subtracted with 10 and which of the number is divisible by 8 is only 74, and which number is divisible by 37 is, that is 74. Okay, right, option 3 is correct. Okay, right, next. And see the question here. See the question. A pair of parallel lines is intersected by a transversal, okay, such that angle 1 and angle 2 form a pair of interior angles, okay, on the same side of the transversal. If angle 1 is equal to 35 degrees, what is the measure of angle 2? See here, if you see the question, here form a interior angles of same side of the transversal. Okay, so see that here. So by seeing itself, we can see we can say the answer, that is the sum of interior angles of the same side of the transversal is 180 degrees. Okay, okay. So here we have 180 degrees. Okay, here we have 180 degrees. In that, one angle is 35. So 180 minus 35, we get 145. So option 3 is correct. Okay, so or else we can solve like this. If you see that here, so a pair of transversal lines, okay, and here two angles is there, interior angle 1 and 2. So, if we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to supplementary angles, which is equal to 180 degrees. In that, angle 1 is given 35 degrees. So, we need to find angle 2. Okay. So, angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees, that is 145, that is 145 degrees, that is 145 degrees. Okay, right. So, these are the some questions which are asked in RRB in aptitude and reasoning questions. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.